Okay, welcome back to the LootFam channel. I'm here with my wife, Katie. We are going to open up a, oh goodness gracious, oh my gosh, 50 pounds, maybe 75 pound bag of t-shirts that the thrift store just throws away as rags. Who knows what's actually going to be in here. I prefer this method to buying like boxes of bulk vintage clothing from people, just because I know this has probably not been picked through but by a granny. So without too much ado, let's go ahead and get into digging through this because it's going to take a minute. So we pretty much throw away, or most of the stuff is worth nothing. I'm hoping that someday going through one of these I hit like a, you know, a crazy Nirvana tee or a Marvel tee.
Kind of fun to show it around. Oh, look at cute little
third grade t-shirt.
Shirt. This will fit like one of the boys. Yay.
I have been giving a lot of these t-shirts away to friends and family who want something else or see something they want on here. But so far, we've had a couple cool t-shirts.
Do you want to find kids stuff in here?
Yeah, lots of good stuff. Typically. Why?
Because the boys.
Because the boys don't have
7 shirts.
Cool. Well, I keep all the
good ones.
We keep all the like Marvel and Star Wars nerd stuff.
Free Fall Express. Skydive. It's kind of cool looking.
It's not cool.
Nothing.
Though.
It's a women's weird one.
Some weird blouse. Yeah, so I try to, what is that? It's like some Forever 21.
Cute little girl, woman clothes.
Oh, look, we got some more tie-dye.
It's cute.
Just a
It's like a
t-shirt.
tank top. I got a tank top. I mean,
Oh, you can have
check it out later.
it.
We get all our clothes from these bags. Just kidding.
Whoa, what's this? Oh, heck yeah. Well, I mean, kind of heck yeah. We've got a vintage tee. We got Screen Star's Best. Our best Bridley. Hold on.
You're like,
Check that out. I know, it's just like a, like you see this? 1995. It's a Lincoln.
Oh, that's cool looking. Lincoln to Lincoln.
It's like a relay. It's just a relay tee, but it's a single stitch, long sleeve relay tee.
Like
That's pretty cool. We'll actually keep that. It's probably commemorative. Alright, so
VBS shirt.
this bag has some vintage and old clothes. That's a good sign for potentially finding some more down here.
Yeah. You never know. It's a nice white tee. These things on it.
That's a t-shirt from our local church.
I know. Trying not to show where we actually live. Places will tell you where we
Wow.
She's gonna cut that out.
I'm not gonna cut it out. This thing rolls the whole way.
Does this say where we live?
You can just tell them, honey.
Tell them what? We're not telling people where we live.
I'm not telling them the city we're living in, but you can show
A
stuff.
shredded tank top. No, it's not really. It's just stretched out.
Oh, we got another Best Fruit of the Loom. Got vintage here. It's just some birds and another long sleeve.
Very inspiring. I don't sweat. I sparkle.
More kid stuff. All right, so far we've had 2 decently old vintage tees. That is a good sign. What is this?
If you look at it my way, I'm right. That looks like a cool shirt.
Find the hero in you. I think.
Big motivation.
Oh,
Are you
look.
keeping that?
Normally this is not.
Where are you keeping that?
Because it's Marvel and all the nerd stuff we give to Mike.
Oh yeah.
We give Mike all of our nerd
Some
stuff.
tie-dye stuff for your sister. I think she has tie-dye. I figure out what's going on with the shirt.
But it doesn't seem like most of these are all like damaged or dirty or
Yeah.
anything.
Whiskey, Tango, Foxtrot, Technical.
Oh, this is dope. Check this out. It is a Walt Disney World. It is an older one. It's not single stitch or anything. But that is a cool, it's for the fireworks. If you've never seen the fireworks at Disney World, hopefully when all this craziness is over, you can go because it's magical.
Because the Arizona bee that there's like a snake and a
Diamondbacks. Baseball team. Ooh.
a towel.
Towel. I threw in a towel.
Or would they give away a towel just because they don't sell one towel? I'll wash that.
Ooh, got some underwear.
Ew, this is a very
Ooh, got some more underwear.
mashup of things. They don't typically
Man,
throw
somebody
away.
tore through their underwear.
Like, you don't donate those to the thrift store, you just throw those away yourself.
Baseball.
What the heck? That's disgusting.
You're dropping clothes all over the
Like
place.
you're pulling out women's clothing that clearly no one washes their stuff though. That's not true. And a white tee.
Come on.
King's basketball.
I feel like since
More underwear.
I know that I've found t-shirts already before, like, or vintage tees, I feel like
A big
that should be like,
shirt. That's the keeper.
this is a mystery box from a different thrift store than we normally buy them from.
Yeah.
But
Smiley face.
yeah, so they may not put the same type of stuff. I got a white Nike tee. You want this? It's a medium. Here's a women's. Well, if you want it, if you don't want
put
it, pull
it
it out.
down here and I'll check it out later.
Okay.
And you can just plow through.
All right, still nothing cool.
Tom Bar lessons. Coach Tom Bar lessons.
All right, let's see what else we got. Nothing.
Deer hunting competition.
Well, anyway, like I was saying, I feel like the moment I find one, when I find one vintage tee.
You find a bunch more.
Well, no, I'm just saying, like, I feel like if I can find one, if people are donating, and they're putting the vintage tees in this type of bag. All right, I've got another vintage tee. The Galt Sands. Man, all the vintage tees are long sleeves today. The 49ers. Galt Sands is probably the late 90s.
Old Navy full surf shirt. I think that's a guy.
A lot of underwear. Yeah, Old Navy.
Do you like
No, I don't.
the color?
Right. Sure. Cool. Oh, we got a moo here. Moo
Dress.
here. That's a J. Jill dress.
Two more pants and underwear. Probably not go.
Oh, can you grab the bag? Just fell over.
Yeah. Baseball, it is. Not vintage.
Alright, so we're only on 3 vintage tees so far. And we're probably down to the last 20% of the bag.
Leggings.
Oh, come on now.
Ball club.
What the heck is this?
Women's shirt. It's purple.
Kato. Ugh.
Dazzled.
Oh, vintage tee. All I can just tell from the Screen Stars Best tag. What's on it?
Nothing.
Zizzer. This is class of 61.
I'll take that.
This is actually kind of cool. So this is our local high school. They're called the Zizzers. This looks like it must be like a reunion t-shirt. I'm gonna hold on to that just because it's just
The class
it
of.
defines, yeah, class of 61.
Oh,
It's not from 61, but like
Blaze.
probably in 91 they all got together, had a reunion.
That sounds like sketchy.
Actually, I think I know about who owns
Kind
all
of
this
looks really
stuff.
like male. They kind of look like they could have.
All right, I think we're down to the last couple pieces. This little
onesie.
onesie.
Go with.
Half Pint Boulevard Brewing. That's
Give
kind
life
of
to
cute.
your community. Give blood.
Oh, we don't have a child that small
Don't
anymore.
have a baby.
And some Starter That Goes Harder underwear. Seriously, they're broken in the same spot. Like I don't know what the guy was up into, but it's kind of dangerous. All right, anyway, that's it. That was it. That was fun. We had like 4 or 5 vintage t-shirts. all but one long sleeve. I don't know what that's about. Anyway, hope you enjoyed and the rush of adrenaline that we were experiencing here together, all together, while we were digging through this vintage or this bag of t-shirts. And we will be back at you with another one of these soon enough. Hopefully we'll find the treasure in that one. So like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.